Welcome to the Benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of black seed oil. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, a compound known for reducing inflammation. It's effective in managing conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel diseases by decreasing inflammatory cytokines. Thymoquinone and other antioxidants in black seed oil help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders, and support overall cell health. Immune system boost. Regular use of black seed oil enhances immunity by combating infections and supporting a healthy inflammatory response. It's often used as a natural remedy to prevent and recover from colds, flu, and other viral infections. Taking black seed in a powder or oil form may slightly reduce blood pressure. Research has shown that the improvement in blood pressure is fairly small. More research is needed to see if black seed can help people with hypertension. Aids digestive health. The oil can alleviate symptoms of indigestion, improve gut health, and protect against conditions like gastric ulcers. It promotes better nutrient absorption and overall gastrointestinal wellness. Black seed oil is widely used for treating skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis due to anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Applied topically, it hydrates and soothes irritated skin. For hair, it reduces dryness, promotes scalp health, and enhances growth by nourishing follicles. Blood sugar regulation. Black seed oil helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. It supports insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, reducing spikes and crashes. Cardiovascular health. By reducing cholesterol and blood pressure levels, black seed oil supports cardiovascular health. It prevents the buildup of plaque in arteries and enhances circulation. Some evidence suggests that black seed oil has antimicrobial effects, meaning it can fight off harmful bacteria. A study published in 2019 found that black seed oil seemed to stop or slow the activity of certain gram-positive bacteria, which can cause infections. Evidence suggests that black seed oil can relieve certain allergy symptoms. A study published in 2014 found that people who applied topical black seed oil for 6 weeks had some relief from their allergic rhinitis symptoms. These included sneezing, an itchy or runny nose, and itchy, watery eyes. The researchers noted that black seed oil was most effective for people with mild symptoms. However, the benefit may vary depending on the severity of your allergies. More research is needed to determine how effective it is in the long term and how it compares to other allergy treatments. Research has shown that thymoquinone can fight inflammation. Black seed oil can be particularly beneficial for conditions that cause inflammation in the lungs, such as asthma. Asthma causes the airways inside the lungs to become inflamed, making breathing difficult. A review published in 2017 found that black seed oil may relieve asthma symptoms. Many of the studies included in the review were small, which suggests that more research is needed. A study published in 2020 found that black seed oil supplements significantly improved lung function and reduced inflammation in people with COPD. These results suggest that black seed oil may become an additional therapy for people with this type of inflammation. Black seed oil has antifungal properties, meaning it can slow or stop the growth of fungi organisms. The oil can be helpful when treating a fungal infection. Some evidence suggests that black seed oil may even be as effective as the commonly used antifungal medication, Ambisome. You can buy black seed oil supplements in liquid form or capsules. Liquid black seed oil is known for its strong flavor. Mixing the oil with honey or lemon can help dilute the taste, If you want to use black seed oil to improve the appearance of your hair or nails, you can massage the oil into your skin, on your scalp, or around your nail beds. You can also buy products containing black seed extract, like shampoo, hair masks, creams, oils, and soaps. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the Benefits of Channel. See you in the next video.